so odd, look at us now. We only got ourselves to blame. It's such a shame. How many times can we win and lose? How many times can we break the rules between us? Only teardrops. How many times do we have to fight? How many times did we get it right between us? Only teardrops.
Hello. Welcome back. This time, we will announce the qualifiers of semi-final 2.
Absolutely, Emily. Exactly like in semi-final 1, 16 countries are participating, but only 10 of them will qualify to final.
Baksana kek, altına bez, al sana test. 2 kere 2 ceza eder net. Beni kiminiz ile bir bardak bile dolmaz. Öğrenebildin mi velet? Rap harekettir ve de politiktir. Bunu hazmedemiyorsan haktir. Kıvarda hitlist, çoğunuz misfit. Karalara ver yeri, sen yine hittis. Bilmiyorsan sus, yaralara tuz bas, karalara.
Looks like we have listened to all the songs of semi-final 2. Now's the time to discover who are the 10 qualifiers.
Yes. The 10 qualifiers will be announced in random order.
The first country to go to the final is Mongolia.
The second country qualified 2 til final is The Netherlands.
Vraag me waarom, maar ik ben niet dom. Laat me maar vliegen in een luchtballon. En dan denk ik soms.
The third country going to the final is North Macedonia.
The fourth country reaching til final is Grise.
The fifth country qualifying to the final is Slovakia.
Half of the spots are taken, and 11 countries are still waiting. The sixth country joining the AQS indtil final is Armenia.
Only 4 spots left. The 7th spot goes to the country of Luxembourg.
Only 3 spots left. The 8th spot goes to the country of Andorra.
Only 2 spots left. The 9th spot goes to the country of Norway.
Only 1 spot left. This is extremely tense. 7 countries are yes to qualify, but only one of them will go to til final. Cross your fingers. The 10th and last qualifier is Sweden.
And there they are. We have our 10 qualifiers. We have Mongolia, the Netherlands, North Macedonia, Grise, Slovakia, Armenia, Luxembourg, Andorra, Norway, and Sweden. Congratulations! For people that did not qualify, I guarantee you that you will come back stronger in the next edition.
Again and again, thank you so much for watching the shows. This means a lot to the staff.
Yes. I hope our little Bluetooth made you laugh as well. Oh. You have something to say, Bluetooth.